Omada is the leading provider of identity management solutions, and in this video we will show you how to configure your own Omada Identity Cloud environment with only a few minutes of effort so that you get an up and running identity management solution on the very first day of your project. Visit portalomada.cloud to get access to the Omada Identity Cloud Management Portal. Here you will find an overview and basic configuration options for your organization's Omada identity environments in the cloud. As a customer, you get access to the Omada Identity Cloud Management Portal by contacting your Customer Success Manager, who is as well able to adjust the number of registered environments and licenses. The Environments overview provides valuable information about your system's status, whether it is configured for productive or non-productive use, an overview about the compliance with the service level agreement measured over the past 30 days, and the configuration status. You can as well verify if the connection to your on-premises world works fine. Clicking on the DNS name, you get a direct link to access your Omada Identity Cloud environment. To create a new environment, use the New Environment button and select the delivery region as well as the environment level. The creation of a new environment usually takes between 1 and 2 hours. You are notified per mail when your environment is ready for configuration. Select an environment and start the configuration using the Configure button. The domain name menu allows you to configure the access to your environment. You can select your own domain or use a customer-specific configuration. In the Authentication tab, you can pick the first administrator to Omada Identity Cloud, who can then register additional administrators inside the end-user portal itself. Please make sure to enter the full qualified username as expected by your identity provider. Define which identity provider shall be trusted. You can select from the list of providers and enter the information according to your selection. Omada Identity Cloud allows connectivity with a broad range of identity providers as it supports the OpenID Connect and SAML standards. For notifications via email, you can configure the delivery options. Omada recommends to use the option Omada Delivery, and we have put significant efforts in a secure and reliable delivery. However, it is as well possible to use an individual SMTP server. As identity management solution, the core functionality of Omada Identity Cloud is to read information from the enterprise's systems and automate the user management, which can be located in the IT infrastructure of the organization. The communication into the customer's premises must be secured. This can be easily achieved and tested using a VPN gateway. Customer-specific DNS entries make sure that the communication with the customer's systems is always appropriately resolved. If you like to apply look and feel of Omada Identity Cloud to your corporate design principles, you can do the configuration in the Logo and Colors section. Select your company's logo with a recommended ratio of 3:1 up to 4:1 and select your company colors with a color picker. Eventually make use of the recommended colors that are based on the colors we find in your company logo. Configure the way your role and policy engine works within the rope configuration menu. Initially, the standard configuration should be fine. For details on configuration options, check out the Role and Policy Engine Advanced Configuration Guide, which is part of the Omada Identity standard documentation. Your configuration is typically applied in the system within a few minutes and allows you to log on to your new Omada Identity Cloud environment, to start your project and to do more with identity. The Omada Identity Cloud Management Portal provides a powerful feature set that allows the configuration of enterprise-level identity management environments in minutes. With a significantly lowered time to value, as well as its groundbreaking best practices frameworks, Identity Process Plus and Identity Project Plus, Omada Identity Cloud lowers the barrier for starting identity management projects, brings a full-featured enterprise solution to small and mid-sized companies, and significantly reduces operation costs for enterprise customers.